Adrian, tell me about this Louis Vuitton bag we just got in.
So this is the Louis Vuitton Eole. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but y'all can correct me in the comment section. But it's got two top handles, and then it also comes with a securable strap. Now, it also have a very large compartment here. It comes with an additional handle that you can carry at will. And then on the front side, you have a zippable handle that even extends up all the way. Perfect for airports. It's got two wheels on the sides. Now this one, it looks brand new in person. It has a little bit of a paint transfer here. You may be able to take it off. On the back side, it looks like a little bit of wear. It was only used once, by the way.
We believe someone who knows how to work with this type of material and bag could potentially remove it. It's not very noticeable, and we're gonna leave it as is, but we think it can be potentially removed. But overall, great condition.
You guys are also gonna be able to purchase it at UNOO.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. If y'all like what y'all saw today, please leave a like and a comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell with the notifications. We look forward to seeing you guys. Thanks.